this class we are going to see how to manage cost. So you have to assign the cost first. So here these are the activities, okay, put expenses. So this is the cost of the project, total cost of the project. So we have two methods to assign cost to our project. This is method 1, okay. So method 2, you can see here. So go to status, okay, and you see here we have different costs: labor cost, non-labor cost, and material cost. So normally for a project, if you know the labor cost, non-labor cost, and material cost, you can get the budgeted cost. Labor cost you are going to give it to labors, and non-labor means for machineries like equipment you are using in the site to execute the project. For example, for crane, and hoist, and some excavator, truck, etc. So it's a non-labor cost. And the material cost is like steel, sand, cement, wood. So these are the material costs. So we have three type of cost. If you know the exact cost for labor cost to assign these activities, structural drawings, or for construction activities, structural work, okay, it is assigned here. Over here labor cost is here. So on the non-labor cost is here, and material cost didn't assign. So if you're clear about this cost, if you have BOQ, bill of quantity, okay, you can extract data, you can get input from BOQ, bill of quantity, for all projects. In some projects we cannot see a proper tracking method for this cost. So in this case we have to choose another option, expenses. So in these expenses we cannot our total budgeted cost. Here you can see we want to add total budgeted cost, just add it. We can 125,000. So in this method we can add our budgeted cost like this way for all activities, okay. So this is the type of assigning our budgeted cost to our activities. Well, now so we assigned cost for all activities, you can see here. So this is the expenses cost for, you can see we assigned some cost where expenses here, okay. So we assigned cost for all activities, budgeted cost. Budgeted cost means total cost including labor, material, and non-labor. So now I want to open a column, and I want to show you a column in my right side of this portion, okay. Go to cost. Budgeted expenses cost, okay, apply. So this is all my cost. So whatever you are seeing over here, it will display over here. You see this all budgeted cost 25,000. The same budgeted cost is displaying over here. So this is our baseline program, okay. So we can get the budgeted cost. Once you update this program, then we can get our actual cost, our cost to complete, CTC, and the CAC, cost at complete, or BAC, budget at complete, or budget to complete. So this all we can get only after doing updation work. So now we can see only this expenses cost. So if you want to show labor and non-labor cost also, you can show this column. Budgeted labor cost. as a value of labor cost and non-labor cost. Okay, so like this way we can include a column. Okay, so if you want to remove column, do it like this way. If you want to search where meaning of you can say, for example, produces activities. So now which may be spelling wrong, you can say. Okay. So now, so in this way we can get. If you don't know the column, the right column, how to, because we here many columns there, so you don't know, but you know the word, how to open it. So just type the word on it and get it what you need. For example, for end value, you want to go end value cost. This end value is only applicable after doing updating the work. Okay, now the project is not yet updated, so it won't display any value. Once it updated, the end value will display. What's end value? End value is budgeted cost, work performed. The performed cost is called end value. Actual cost, we have one more column is actual cost. Actual cost means the cost from the account department or QS department, we can say. So this is a billing amount. So you are claiming, for example, you are claiming 100,000 real, $100,000, but you got only 90,000 for approval. So the certified amount, the approved amount is called actual cost. But the claimed amount 100,000 is called end value cost. So now you understand the difference between the end value and actual cost. So once you update this program, you can get the end value, actual cost, budget at complete and budget to complete, CTC or CAC. You can get only after updating the project. So now we are developing a baseline program. This is called baseline program. Okay, once you create the baseline program, just go to project, go to maintain baseline, add, save a copy of current project as a new baseline. Is asking, can I save this project, this screen as a baseline project? If you want, you can give it. Else, if you have any other project to give a baseline, you can choose this option. So normally the default option is save a copy of current project. Okay, okay. So now it is saving this project as a baseline. Means what? Okay, if you want to update this project, after that more options there. Go to project and assign baseline. Here assign your current baseline. Okay, the same one. I will tell you again. Okay, maintain baseline. Okay, you copy this current project as a baseline project. Okay, just close it. Go to project and assign baseline. So the same project what you assigned as baseline, select it in the primary and the project baseline, both in both row. Select the baseline project and give OK. So now you set a baseline project. So if you want to update the project, we have two different methods to update a project. So tools, update progress. If you want to update your desired date, you can select the date and apply. We give apply, the project will update automatically. Okay, yes, if you want to update these activities one by one, for example, so this is structural material, so this completed, go to status. Okay, started in 1st June finish in 16 June. Okay, for example, for this project started in 1st June. Okay, it's milestone 100% completed. Okay, and this is shop drawing submission. We started in 3rd of June. Select the date, select and don't ask this. Okay, 3rd June, and it gives a percentage for this one, 45%. And finishing work, you can see 4th of June, give 35%. That's EBP work. EBP work, you can see second, there of June, give 40%. So like this way you can update the progress of work. And so we have two methods. One is automated updated progress. So if you choose this option, the Primavera will update this program automatically. This is the another option is doing updation by manually. So just better this you select this second option, go to second option to do with manual updating work. So this will be a realistic one. So this will give a real figure to track on it. And so what mean this one, the project started the same date, and we submitted some drawings, and also we procured some materials. Okay, procured some materials after getting approval of this shop drawing. Normally we need to get approval at least within 14 days or 21 days, depending upon the consultant and the contract agreement. Okay, so normal contract agreement placing with consultant is 7 to 14 days to get approval of drawing after submitted. So this thing, so here you can see 3rd June is the submission date. Just calculate 10 days, so make it 13 June and 14 June over here. 14 June, it's 14 June, Friday. So 15 June we got some approval. So we got 40% of submission, can say 30% of approval till date. Finishing material we submitted the same date, no, 4th June. So from 4th June you can fix for 16th or 15th June. So how much percentage is there? Finishing work 35%, make it 25%. So this percentage you can get from document controller. Okay, so he will give the correct figure. So EBP materials 3 June, started 3 June, make it 10 days after, make it 16, better. How much completed? 40%, make it 35. And material order delivery. So like this way we can update the program. And after updating the program, once it finish, there's no more updation. Just go to schedule and select your data date. Now where you are. If you are in 17 June or 18 June, select it. 85 some 18 June. You are in 18 June, select it and schedule. So now the program is updated. So now we can see the column of end value is showing some value. This value called budgeted cost work performed. Okay, so we can remove this producer column. So we have a budgeted expenses cost, end value cost, and if you want to add some more column, budgeted cost. This is earned value. It means actually this is the performed value. So we can say this is our work done value, we can say. And this is our actual cost. Actual cost we have to assign. So this is from QS department, get the value from QS department, and we have to assign manually for this actual cost. So where you can assign the actual cost, put expenses here, actual cost. We can assign for actual cost for this activity, like 4,500. So the budget cost is 15,000, end value 6,000, means 40% of this end value, and actual cost is 4,500, which is a certified amount. Okay, and this estimate to complete and budget and complete. So this way, this is this topic we will talk in. I can teach you next classes, because this is a very big topic. So we have to calculate some formulas. So we can see next classes. This is cost variance. So this one also we can see next classes.